Well, we're trying to get the old 41 Ford started. It doesn't want to go. The starter just clicks. It doesn't do anything. It just clicks. Looking things over here, and they have old positive ground. And I'm thinking I'm going to check those battery terminals out. But I'm thinking and hoping that maybe just a bad ground. It's on the block right there. I'm going to take that off and clean it up and clean the battery posts, and maybe go to that solenoid there and clean that up a little bit. See what we can do to get the thing to turn over, and then we'll put some gas to it and see if she'll fire. Well, there's a lot of corrosion on there. I haven't taken it off yet, but I'm sure it's probably got a film of goop on there. That doesn't look too good either. And then where it attaches to the block. I'm thinking that could be the issue. Look at this. Look at that battery post there. I can get it to focus. Pretty dirty and grimy. So is the inside of the clamp. So we'll clean her up and see what it does. Everything else seems to be in working order, I hope. Well, I'll keep chugging along. Okay, so stepping ahead a ways. I cleaned up that cable, cleaned up that battery post a little bit. There's a charge in the 6-volt. I loosened up the wires on the solenoid and just kind of wiggled them a little bit and tightened them back up. I got a temporary gas can sitting there, very temporary. I don't even know if the fuel pump pumps. I'm gonna put a little bit of gas in that carburetor, and the fire extinguisher, and we'll see what happens here, if the thing will fire or not. It'd be so cool. It's been quite a few years Dad had it running, but see if I can put a little bit in the bowl on that thing. See what she'll do. I don't know. It's been years. I got a dome light on in here. And this should be the choke here. I don't know, I suppose I should choke it part way anyway. And the switch, if I know how to work it right, that unlocks it, that turns ignition on, and then here's the starter button. Huh? Oh my God, it's running. Can you believe that? Huh? I can't believe it. Wow. Wow. I don't believe it. Oh, she died. Well, can you believe that? Unreal. She doesn't turn over very vigorously, but I suppose with a 6-volt battery, you can't expect much more than that. But doggone, it runs good. I can't believe it. Okay, let's see, it's been sitting a while. Let's see if she'll start one more time. The old 41 Ford with my Soapbox Derby car in the back. I'm pretty excited about this thing running. Wish Dad was here to see it. That hood doesn't fit all that good. There's a lot of things that need a little work. Let's see if she'll start. One more time. Let's see. Key gets turned one way or there we go, that way. Switch is on. The clutch is stuck seized together, so I'd hate to run into the house. See what she does here. Oh, can you believe that? I didn't even put the choke on. Wow. That old heater dump. Wow. Well, here's to you, Dad. We're gonna get her back on the road yet. I'm impressed with this flathead Ford V8. It runs better than that old 68 Ford sitting out there. Responsive, I'll tell you what, you flip the throttle and it's right there. I'm impressed. 41 Ford.